But one's just fallen off now. But those three seagulls we got a photo of. But now I say there's two seagulls. So I say seagulls in Darwen on a roof. Wow. Yeah, but I'll show you a photo of the three seagulls. But it's just that I'm just shocked. But seagulls on the roof. Right. Yeah, I've not known seagulls this close to home before. But like I said, I will show you a photo of the three seagulls. As we're getting watch my photos in the oven out. Right guys, I'll say the third seagull has just come back. So it's quite shocking. Of three seagulls in Darwen. Oh, it's fallen off, but yeah, it's quite shocking of three seagulls in Darwen. Right close to Darwen. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3 seagulls in Darwen on loose. So close to where I live. On a street in Darwen. So to go bit of Blackpool and that, in course, but not so close to home. Happy days. Could be lost maybe. Right, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. So how is that then? Seagulls so close to home. Yeah. Let's fly off down there. Right, they're flying off now. What moment that was.